Hello everyone, welcome back. So in today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to verify your identity on Trading 212 application in 2026. Now, when you create your account here for the very first time, you are going to see this type of interface or the home page in front of you. Now over here on the top, you are going to see the option of set up your account, which is going to take only 5 minutes. So before hopping on to verify your identity, you first need to set up your account, in which you need to provide your first name, your surname, and then you need to press next. Afterwards, you need to provide some of your personal details like your phone number and your address details as well. So make sure that you verify all of these details first. Then the second option of verify your identity will be opened. So when that particular option is opened in front of you, you just have to first of all select your country. After, depending on your country, it is going to show you all of the documents that you can basically use in order to verify your identity. So you need to simply select any of the documents that is available to you. Afterwards, you need to start the verification process, in which you just have to verify those documents by taking a photograph of that document. It is also going to ask you to verify your face recognition, so you need to do that. So as soon as you complete the verification process, you just have to wait for at least 24 to 48 hours until it shows you your verification status. So that's how you can basically do it. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.